Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. As usual, today we will take a look at the gold market. Well guys, today we have prepared the new weekly research, and it's right now a really very nice picture on the gold market, because gold right now provides just amazing harmonic picture. It's really very nicely looking structure of different patterns through all time frames, so starting from the monthly till the hourly chart. There are multiple patterns are forming right now, and all of them could be combined in just one whole picture of the price action that could happen within a couple of months. As a result, as we hope, we will appear at the moment where the time comes for taking the long-term bullish position. This should happen around 1180, 1160 area. So if you will read our weekly research carefully, you will see how patterns on the higher time frames involves the patterns on the lower time frames. And in general, you could see, and you could even write down the steps of the action, how market will move to the final destination point. So really interesting. So, but in the daily video, we will take a look on the daily time frame and on intraday charts. So on the daily chart, we see that market has formed bullish engulfing pattern around 50% support. Market right now is not at oversold. So bullish engulfing has formed at the 50% level. And on Friday, we see just minor return back, minor pullback inside of the body of engulfing pattern. This happens every time, almost every time when the market forms engulfing, either bullish or bearish. Almost every time market shows minor return back inside of the body of the pattern. So here we expect that market should complete this head and shoulder setup and form the top of the right shoulder that should appear around 1350, 1360 area. Somewhere around area where the top of the left shoulder stand. So here. And we think that this pattern indeed could become the foundation, the background for starting upward action that could lead market right to this area. Because the target of this pattern approximately equals to the length of the bars. So if you measure the length of the bars of this pattern counted to the downside, you approximately will get this area. So if we will take a look of this minor candle split up, so you can see it's approximately the same area. That's why we think that this engulfing pattern really could become the pattern that could trigger upward action. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have very important and interesting picture. So here's the hand shoulders that we're talking about. Small detail on our bearish engulfing pattern that we have traded previously. Take a look why this bearish dynamic pressure has worked. Because guys, take a look, the market had 1618 extension target right below this consolidation. So when this consolidation has started to form, market was already below the 100% extension, but hasn't reached yet the 1618. And this should happen before any reversal will happen. As you can see, market has completed it right just cent to cent. It's 1618 of this ABC top has been completed. Market immediately has turned to the upside to the retracement. This is very important. Slightly below the market stands very strong confidence support, the 13 even area. So 1297, 1308 is confidence support, and take a look monthly pivot point. Also guys, here we have the bullish divergence with the MACD indicator. Logically, market should not show any drop here since all targets already have been hit. So if market start to move up, this move up should continue, except only moment if market will not form this head and shoulders and will just drop lower. This also could happen, but currently we see signs that head and shoulders still could be completed. That's why we first will watch over it. And if this will happen, that this head and shoulders will be cancelled, well, in this case we will try to prepare another trading scenario. But currently, until it stands valid, we will continue to work with it. Also, guys, take a look that here we could get bullish grabber on the forward time frame chart. If grabber will be formed, I will show you. So let's increase the chart. It's a MACD predictor. Here you can see that the MACD line comes very close to the price action. If grabber will be formed, this market will form the grabber on Monday, bullish grabber I mean. In this case, this will bring more confidence with this overall setup and possible upward action. And this almost guarantee that market will probably move high and will complete the top of the right shoulder around 1350 area. This is very important. So on Monday, also watch for bullish grabbers around this area. This could be a very important sign. And it could be even more important if you're a scalp trader and you would like to take the long position. Grabber for you could become the pattern that you could rely on for possible taking the long position. Finally, on the hourly chart, we see the pattern that tells us how particular market could lead 1355 area. This, as you can see, could become another head and shoulders, minor head and shoulders. And you can see that the daily engulfing, in fact, is the head of this pattern. So market right now is approaching to the 618 support, the 1319 area, and it stands very harmonic to the bottom of the left shoulder. Okay. At the same time, here we see the minor bearish grabber pattern has been formed, and it tells us that market probably before upward reversal with this shoulder will happen, it should taken out of these lows. So it's very probable that market will drop lower, taken out of these lows by this grabber. Maybe even butterfly will be formed here on the 13-minute chart, for example, on the 5-minute chart. And by the way, this butterfly particular and taken out of these lows could indeed lead to appearing of the bullish grabber here. It's a very interesting combination, guys. So you probably already could imagine the front of the job that we will have to do on Monday. So first we are watching on the hourly chart, and when this grabber will be worked out, taking out of these lows. We could drop the hour time frame even lower to see whether the market will form a reversal pattern here. If we get the butterfly, this will be the signal for scalp traders for possibly taking the long position. Especially if this drop down and taking out of these lows will lead to appearing of the bullish grabber on the follow time frame chart. That will be just perfect combination for taking the long position. The target of this will be either A, B, C, D of the hand shoulders. Maybe this will be as a butterfly here to the upside. Maybe this will be A, B, C, D 1618 target at this hand shoulder. So approximately we know that this should be area around 1350, 1360, the very top of the hand shoulder stand. This will be second question. But in the beginning of the trading week, we will be watching of this upward reversal, how market will behave at the bottom of the potential right shoulder on the hourly chart. So you can see how this corresponds, all patterns corresponds to each other. On the hourly chart, we see this head and shoulders that should lead us to the 1360 area. This in turn should become the top of the right shoulder here of this pattern, and simultaneously this will complete the daily engulfing pattern when the market will leave this area. That will be the point where we'll think about the taking the short, since after the market will hit 1360, we could get this ABCD down with a hand shoulders pattern on the forward time frame chart. So as you can see, a really big front of the work for us, really big subject for trading, and it's really clear. So we see the really clear patterns, and it seems that we will have set up on the gold market for a considerable period of time. So for more than even 2-3 weeks ahead, we have a patterns for trading. So let's see what we will get in the beginning of the weeks. Will be really probably interesting process on the gold market right now.